All right, so you're interested in buying a kit that has a buffer and polish and pads and everything, but you really don't know where to go. There's a lot of different choices out there. Well, we have done all the research for you to put together a fantastic one-step kit. So stay tuned, we'll go over details. Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider. Welcome to the Esoteric channel. All right, what we have here in front of us is we have a complete kit that we offer, we call a one-step kit. What is a one-step? Well, that's a polishing process that you're using one type of polish, one type of pad to get the job done. Now, there are a lot of kits out there. You can go to different resellers, different places, and you can find they've got some things put together. But you gotta wonder, what kind of process went to putting that together? Is it just something that they're trying to move that month? Have they taken the time to really research and work with these products together to figure out what works best? Well, that's one of the differences here at Esoteric, is as you can see behind me, we have a full-fledged shop. We do very high-end detailing. That's where the company started over 10 years ago doing that. So we work with these every single day. And with our Elite Detailer Academy that we have, we're going into details to find out which works best. Now, how do we do that? Well, for one, this $4,000 DOI meter right here, this doesn't just measure gloss, but it measures a lot of different aspects of clarity of paint, how you get the best finish out of it. So when we're making statements like we've come up with the best one kit solution, that is based off of data. That's not just subjective. We look at it and say, yeah, it looks cool. We know what gets the most out of it. So what you have here, you've got the new LHR15 MKIII polisher from Rupes. You've got their yellow polishing pads. You've got our best quality red microfiber towels. And you have Sonax Perfect Finish. Now, Sonax Perfect Finish, something we've been using here for a long time. It just has a really wide range. If you think in terms of cut of a compound and a fine finish of finishing polish, a lot of other products that you're going to find may only operate in this range. Sonax Perfect Finish has a wide range, so you get a really good cut and a great finish out of it as well. So by putting these three together, the right kind of polishing pad, the right kind of polish, the right kind of machine, you know, if you're using it right, that you're going to get as much correction out of a one-step as you possibly can. Now, what's the difference between a one-step and multi-step? As it states, there are two different steps in the other process. That's where you're compounding with a compounding pad and you're coming back and you're finishing with a finishing pad. That's if you're going for a very high level of correction, 95% plus, let's call it. But most people aren't in the market for that. You at home, if you're a DIY person, you're probably not looking to do that, or you're not ready. Your skill set isn't up to that point yet. A one-step is what most people are going to be using, and if you are a detailer, it's what most customers are going to be going after. Make the car look a lot better. It's going to get rid of all the defects with exception of the deep stuff, and it's going to bring a lot of clarity and gloss in the finish. It's going to make a huge difference. Or if you're wanting to do coating afterwards, doing a one-step followed by a ceramic coating afterwards, or it may be a wax, or it may be a sealant, this is going to prep the finish to get the best looks prior to going into your protection. Now, if you want to learn more about some of the products that we have in here, go take a look at the video that we have on our polishing pads, or look at the video that we've got on the Perfect Finish, because it will give you the necessary information to get the most out of your one-step kit.